Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can install the YouTube application into your Windows. So for that, let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type Edge. Now you'll find Microsoft Edge under the best match. Click on that. Then here in the search bar, you need to type YouTube. Hit enter. Then you'll find the official website of YouTube from www.youtube.com. Click on that. So obviously in a browser you can access YouTube. You can watch your favorite videos, favorite game videos, or any other movies that you like. But it is in the browser, so you cannot watch it as a separate application from the browser. So whenever you want to watch YouTube, you still need to open the browser. So why just install it in a way that it is a separate application from the browser? So click on the three dots at the top right corner, click on apps, click on open in YouTube because I have just installed my YouTube application into my Windows. So let me just quickly uninstall it so that I can show you how you can install that. Okay, I'm done uninstalling it. Then click on the three dots again at the top right corner, click on apps, click on install YouTube, and then you have to click on the install button. Click on allow. And now let's minimize this and let's close the browser. And if we search for YouTube in the Windows search bar, that will appear now as an application. So if you click on that, and then you're good to go. You have just installed YouTube, and here you can now watch your favorite movies or videos. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.